Appreciate. Today's video gonna, organize like my makeup collection. I'm gonna take some stuff out, put some stuff in. I just bought a new organizer right here at what you call it? Burlington? No, Home Goods. It's Home Goods and Marshalls, you feel me? So I bought that one today. So I'm gonna organize my stuff. Cause this one right here is old. I gotta take some stuff out. I might keep it or I might not, because I got some other stuff over there that I want to put over here. I don't know. Just, if you guys want to see me organize like my makeup collection, just make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And don't forget, when you subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell, okay? So let's get this thing popping. Let's clean, let's organize, okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start by organizing and cleaning to see what stuff that I need and what stuff I don't need. So you guys are gonna watch me do that right now. Of course, I need this. I'm about to clean my Benefit brow gel. This is a pretty Pat McGrath, pretty. Look how pretty and sparkle that is. Pat McGrath. Half of these stuff I don't need. Like the lipstick, half of these are brand new. This is what Dior or Givenchy. I think it's Givenchy. You gotta have the pillow talk. No, this is not pillow. This is Walk No Shame Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, Walk No Shame. Charlotte Tilbury is a really great brand. Let me see. I'm trying to take some things out. You guys gonna see me take some things out and clean. This is an It Cosmetic mascara. So you guys gonna, see what I'm about to do. So yeah, bear with me, okay? Stay tuned.
I'm so
my lipsticks, my lip glosses, all my mascaras. I got my primer there, my grande lash. Now it's time to organize these, baby. I gotta get rid of, which one was? I think this one. I might keep, I don't know. It's broken, so I think I might just take it out. I'm gonna throw this out, use the other one that I got. So y'all gonna see all my foundations, concealer. I have more in the closet. Girl. This is ridiculous. So crazy. But this is all my concealer right here. Concealer, tinted moisturizers, all my powders. Well, not all. This is some of the powders. I have more on the other side. My other foundations that I forgot to use. It's just sitting there. This old Dior foundation. I gotta make sure they're not expired. But I feel like it's still good. I ain't gonna throw it away. Pat McGrath, Kat Von D, Sephora collection. These are new. These are the new foundation. The new Tarte one. My highlighters, bronzer, Tantour cream contour from Huda Beauty. All my little stuff right here. Some of these stuff are new, so these are not old. I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna put. Lancome, Hourglass, Clinique, the new even better foundation, which is really good. This is the Estee Lauder one. I just bought these. These are new. This is very new. My NARS foundation. I just finished organizing these. Mascara, so I gotta do all this and some more stuff back there. So bear with me, y'all. Just, you know, keep your put them thumbs up, give this video a like, you know, comment down below to see. Well, I just want to see what y'all say about my makeup thing. Just comment down below, let me know how crazy I am with these makeup stuff. Okay, so just keep on watching, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. I ain't gonna lie though, we almost done. I was gonna throw this away, but I'm keeping this. I added the powders that I'm really going to use on this one. I'm going to put all the important foundation, concealer, and primer on this one, which is a lot. Some of these I got to get rid of. I didn't think I had that much. And y'all, I have more in my closet. So imagine. So got to organize all this stuff. I already fixed the other side. Yeah, so just stay tuned. This I already finished. Just stay tuned. I'll be, you know, organizing my makeup collection. So yeah. So I'm done right now. I got my powders, like I said. I got all my powders here. Got all the foundation that I know I'm going to be using, like all the Becca's. Damn, I can't really open it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Becca's, NARS, Hourglass, Huda. It's a lot. Like, it's kind of cracked. Still kept that one. These are all my concealers. Make Marc Jacob, let me see, Huda, Anastasia, Makeup Forever, Becca. You know, ain't no more Becca, so I had to rack up on Marshalls. What else? All these old concealers that I haven't really used in a while. Anastasia Foundation Stick, Morphine, Hourglass. And these are all my foundation from Anastasia. This is my favorite foundation to use on clients. I got pretty much like, well, let me see, 9 foundations, the darkest to the lightest. And I got my Makeup Forever powder, my new ones that I finally took them out. I got 3 of them, the dark shade, the middle shade, and the lighter shade. I got Beauty Supply powder, Fenty Beauty powder, the diamond tip sponge from Makeup Forever. Everything else here, my eyebrow pencils, eyeliner, liquid liners. You know, got to get the hygiene right. My little cotton, my little sponges. These are my bronzers, Morphe Makeup Forever, and Makeup Revolution. I have used that in a minute. These are all my NK. What is that? NK makeup. This is a beauty supply store concealers from darkest to light. These are my favorite concealers. It was $2.99. So creamy. It remind me of the Born This Way Too Faced concealer, the dark shade. And I got, these are my new ones that I got today. These are the Milani Concealers. This was $2.99 at Burlington. You know, I had to get these. All my Juvia's Place foundation stick. Let me make sure I close it right. These is just random, you know, foundations and stuff. And, you know, this been here for a long time. My Stellar highlighter and my Makeup Forever, how you call it? Primer, Shine Control, my Juvia's Place foundation. These like random foundations left there. These are like my primers, primer, cream, all cream contours and highlighters. So yeah, y'all. It's finally organized, you know. Let me go, you know. It took a while, you know, I had to throw away a lot of stuff. These are my old lipsticks and stuff I'm throwing away. Old foundation that's been sitting for years. And these are my drawer for all the foundations and tinted moisturizers, primers that I'm not gonna really use like that, so I left it here. My eye glitter, it's got a lot. Primer, what it called? Beauty blender. I just got this Kaja mascara set. Huda Beauty. So much. These are already organized. That's why I'm not going in the closet. I'm just showing y'all. This is all my powders, loose powder, pressed powder, translucent powder, highlighters, liquid lipstick, blush from Juvia's Place. Blush is, you know, just new from Sephora collection, $20. Get y'all Sephora collection stuff, y'all. It's all good. These I'm not gonna really use that much, and these are like my eyeshadow palettes that I don't really use like that. Okay. So, and this is all my skincare. I already organized my skincare already. All my serums, vitamin C's, like the acid serum. These are my toners, sunscreen from Sunday Riley. You to the People, Paula Choice is really good. I gotta get that Paula Choice. You know, this is the retinol one. This is my quarterly essence. My cotton pads from Shiseido. Shiseido are the best ones. These like random small sizes of skincare. And these like all my other moisturizing cream and vitamin C, and these are like my other random face washes. So yeah, if you guys want to see all my fragrances, like all my stuff, these are my fragrances here. If you guys want to know like all the good stuff that I've been using, like another separate video of fragrances, if you guys want to, you know, want me to put y'all on some fragrances and stuff like that, let me know. Comment down below. Yeah. So guys, it's the end of my video of me organizing my makeup collection. If you guys love this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below